How to verify ID on Roblox. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can verify ID on Roblox. Now basically verifying your ID on Roblox means verifying your age. Here is a quick process on how you can do so. First things first, you wanna open up Roblox. Once you open up Roblox, now I'll be showing you on the mobile application. You wanna tap on the more option at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then here you wanna look into settings and then tap on settings. Under settings, you can see the very first option, that is account info. You wanna tap on it, and under account info you should be able to find the option here that says verify my age. You can simply tap on verify my age, and then before verifying your age, please enter your email address. You'll have to enter in your email address here real quick. I'll just enter it real quick here and then tap on continue. Once you tap on continue, it will take you to verify your age. Now what you'll have to do is you'll have to prepare a valid ID, that is either driver's license, passport, ID card and residence permit. You will need a smartphone. With this smartphone, you'll have to, on the camera app, you'll have to scan this QR code, and once you do so, it will take you to the link where you should be able to go ahead and enter in other details or add other details, and you'll have to verify it. So this way you can verify your ID on Roblox. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.